Hello students, today we have to solve some questions under the chapter playing with person. So we start, here there are 3 questions, so we start from question number first. Question number first is find the least number of 5 digits which are divided by 4, 12, 20 and 24 leaves remainder 3 in each case. So first of all we have to find the least number of 5 digits. So least number, the least number of 5 digits is equal to 1, and first of all we write 1 and the remaining digit will be 0. So there is 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10,000. 5 digit, the least 5 digit number is 10,000. If we subtract 1 from this number, then we get 4 largest 4 digit number. But here we have to find 5. So and on dividing by 4, 12, 28, 20 and leaves remainder 3 in each case. So first of all we have to find the remainder of 4, 12, 20 and 24. We find now. We find LCM of 4, 12, 20 and 24. 4, 12, 20, 24. We find the LCM by continuous division. 2 2 are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 10 are 20, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. Now we divide again by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12. Now again by 2, 1, 3, 5, 2 3 are 6. Now we divide by 3, 1, 1, 5, 1. Now we divide by 5. 1, 1, 1, 1. LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 3 is 24. 24, 5 is 120. So 120 divides 120 is divisible by 4, 12, 20 and 24. This 120 is divisible by 4, 12, 20 and 24. Now, according to question, we have to find the least number of 5 digits. So, we divide 10,000 by 120. Now we divide 10,000 by 120. So 120 10,000. Now divide 8 times. 8 0 0, 8 2 is 16, 8 1 9. Subtract 0, 6 from 10, 4, 40. 60. 40. Remainder is 40. After dividing by 120, 40 is remainder. If we so first of all 40 is remainder. If we add, what is the difference of difference of 120 and 40 equal to 120 minus 40 equal to 40 is equal to 80. 80 is less. If we add 80 in this, then it will divisible by exactly 120. So the number of 5 digits which are exactly by divided by 4, 12, 20, 24 is equal to, you have to add 40 in 10,000, sorry 80. So 10,080. 10,080 is divisible by 120. So the least number of 5 digits which is divisible by 4, 12, 20 and 24 is 10,080. Now it is divisible, and according to question, the least remainder is 3 in each case. But if we divide by these number, the remainder should be 3. It is exactly divisible by 4, 12, 20, 24. So the required number should be more than 3. So the required number, so the least required number, required number is equal to, we have to add 10,080 plus 3. 10,083 is the least number of 5 digits when we divide by this 10,083 by 4, 12, 20 and 24. In each case we find the remainder 3. So I think all of you have understood this question and you can solve this types of question from your exercise. Now we solve the question number 7. Question number 2 is, find the greatest number of 5 digits exactly divisible by 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. 2 and solution. First of all, we have to find the greatest number of 5 digits. The greatest number of 5 digits is equal to, the number of digits should be 5 and every digit should be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 99,990 is the largest number of 5 digits. If we add 1 in this number, then we get the smallest number of 6 digits. So this is the largest digit of 5. Now find the LCM of, now we find the LCM of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now we divide at least number 2. 2, 5 is not divisible, 2 5s are 10, 15 is also not divisible, 2 10s are 20, 25 is also not divisible by 2. Now divide it by 2. 2 5 is not divisible, 5 is not divisible, 15 is also not divisible, 2 5s are 10, 25 is also not divisible. Now we take the next number 3. 5 is not divisible by 3. 15 is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. And this 5 is also not divisible. 25 is also not divisible. Now we divide by 5. 5 on the 5, 5 on the 5, 5 on the 5, 5 on the 5, 5 5s are 25. Now we divide by 5. 1, 1, 1, 1, and 5 on the 5. LCM is equal to LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60. Is equal to 300. 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60. 65 is 300. So 300 is the number which is divisible by 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Now we have to divide 9999 by 300. Now we divide 99,999 by 300. By 300. So we divide 300. 3 is 999. 3 900. 99 9. 3 times 3 is 900. 9. 3 is 9. 99. Here remainder is 99. If we subtract 99 from this number 9999, because it is remainder. If we add 1 in 99,999, it will convert into 6 digits. So we have to subtract 99. Difference of 99,999 and 99 is equal to 99,999 minus 99. So 99,900. This is the number. So the required number. So the required number required number is equal to 99,900. This is the 99,900. This is the number which is exactly divisible by 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. And that this is the greatest number. More than this number, no any number in 5 digit, greatest 5 digit is divisible by 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So this is the 99,900 is the largest number which is divisible by 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. In this way, all of you can solve many questions from your exercise book. Now we start question number 3. These are very important questions for all of you, and you can solve many questions related to these types of questions from the exercise book. Now we solve the question number 3. First, in the morning walks 3 persons step up together. In the morning walk 3 persons step up together. At the same time 3 persons start walking. At the same time 3 persons start walking. At the same time their step measuring, the measure of one step. When a person steps the step measures of 80 cm. The first person takes the step of 80, second person takes the step of 85 cm, and third person takes the step of 90 cm. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that all can cover same distance in completely step? So the minimum distance, find the minimum distance so that every person complete in same distance in same time. So first of all, you have to find the LCM of 80 centimeter, 85 centimeter and 90 centimeter. So we find LCM of 80 centimeter, 85 and 9. So 80, 85, 9. So first of all we divide at least number 2. 2 4 jai 40. 85 is not divisible. 2 4 jai 2 5 ja 10. Now we divide again by 2. 20. 85 is not divisible. 45 is also not divisible. Now we divide again by 22. 2 10 ja 20. 85 is not divisible. 45 is also not divisible. Now we again divide by 2. 2 5 ja 10. 85 is not divisible. 45 is also not divisible. Now we divide again by 3. 3 5 is not divisible. 85 is not divisible. 45 divisible. 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. Now we divide again by 3. 5 is not divisible. 85 is also not divisible. 3 5 ja 15. Now we divide by 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 7 ja 35. 5 1 ja 5. Now we divide by 17. 70 1 1 and 1. LCM is equal to, first of all we write all these factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 times 1 2 3 4. 3 2 times. 3 into 3. 5 1 times. 5 17 one time into 70. Now we have to multiply all these factors. 2 2 जा 4, 2 जा 8, 2 जा 16, 16 3 जा 16 2 जा 32, 33 जा 38, 38 38 3 जा 3 8 जा 24, 3 3 जा 9, 9 to 10, sorry 11, 3 3 8 जा 24, 3 3 जा 9 to 11. Now we divide by 5. 5 4 जा 20. 5 1 जा 5 2 7. 5 1 जा 5. 570. 570 by 17. 700. 7 7 जा 49. 49. 7 5 जा 35. 39. 100 177 1 5 5. Then we add 0 9 2 5 3 8 1 9. 2 2 जा 4, 2 जा 8, 2 जा 16, 720 into 17. 0 7 2 जा 14, 7 7 जा 49 1 50. 5 3 जा 50, 15 3 जा 45, 45 2 जा 90, 90 2 जा 180, 18 2 जा 360, 360 2 जा 720. 720 multiply by 70. 700 7 2 जा 14, 7 7 जा 49 1 50. 100 1 2 2 1 7 जा 7. Add 0 4 2 12. So the LCM will be 12,240. This is centimeter. So the what should the each should walk so that each cover same distance completely. So this centimeter, this is the required distance. So the minimum distance. So hence the minimum distance equal to 12,240 centimeter. Then write this 12,240 centimeter. So 12,240 centimeter. This is the smallest distance which covers all three person completely steps. This is CM when we make it into meter. when we divide it into meter, then 1 2 2 4 0 divided by 100, it will convert meter. 100 once tens 100. After this is 100 places. This is 100 places. You can write 122 meter plus 40 by 100 meter. When you divide, the answer will be this. Like this, 1 2 2 4 divide it 100. 100 बन जा 100. 100 टू जा 200. 24. 100 टू जा 200. 40 is the remainder. So this is completely meter and this is meter. When we divide into meter, centimeter, so 122 meter plus 40 500. When we convert meter into centimeter, we have to multiply by 100 into 100, then we will see centimeter. 122 meter plus 40 cm. So we can write 120 meter 40 centimeter. This will be answer. So the minimum distance is 120 meter and 40 centimeter. All the person covered these distance together. When they walk step together, they will complete this distance, completely steps. This distance, they will cover this distance together. So I think all of you have understood this, and you can solve many questions related to this types of question from the exercise book. So it is sufficient for today. I think all of you have understood this. So we see in next video with next topics. Thanks for today.